Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use navigation on your Garmin Fenix 7. First, from your watch face, press the upper right Start/Stop button. Scroll down to find and select the navigation option. Here, you'll see choices like courses, activities, and saved locations. We'll explore these options to help you confidently find your way, whether you're on a trail or exploring a new city. This initial step opens up a world of guided adventures right from your wrist. Creating and loading courses is straightforward. You can design a new route directly on your Fenix 7 or more commonly, use the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Once created, sync the course to your watch. To load, simply select Courses from the navigation menu, choose your desired route, and then select Do Course. You can customize settings like turn-by-turn alerts and elevation data, ensuring your navigation experience is tailored precisely to your adventure, whether it's a 5-kilometer run or a 50-kilometer hike. Once a course is loaded, press Start to begin navigation. Your Fenix 7 will display a clear breadcrumb trail on a detailed topographic map, guiding you with visual cues and audible alerts for upcoming turns. You can easily zoom in or out using the up and down buttons, or pan across the map by holding the menu button. The built-in compass ensures you always know your orientation, helping you stay on track and confidently explore new environments, even in challenging conditions. For added safety and convenience, your Fenix 7 offers powerful advanced features. The track-back function is invaluable, guiding you precisely back to your starting point along the same path you took. You can also save your current location as a waypoint with just a few button presses, perfect for marking a scenic view or a campsite. Additionally, the Around Me feature helps you discover nearby points of interest, enhancing both your safety and exploration capabilities during any outdoor activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.